Hello everyone, my name's John and this video is just a quick reminder with the Easter holidays approaching for you to check out my existing hot cross bun video. There'll be links at the end and in the description box, or simply click on the eye icon top right of the screen. There'll also be the ingredients list and full written method for the recipe on the website. And if you're lucky enough to have my 3 recipe books, you'll find the hot cross bun recipe on page 18 of book 2. The books have lots of our favourite recipes from our work kitchens in them. All 3 books are available in the website shop along with lots of other equipment I use in the videos. And by popular demand, the skeleton style oven gloves are now available too. Just click on the eye icon top right of your screen and that'll take you to the website shop where all of these items are available now. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video very soon, which will be this amazing creamy chicken pie recipe. Have a happy Easter everyone, stay safe in your kitchen and bye for now.